Hello, my name is Leidy Perez. I told about a question for Didactic of Mathematic. 1. How can you make a free approach to mathematics learning? From the point of view of initial education through shape and figures, and from there the teaching of basic and key concept, the area of the mathematics could be perfectly oriented. 2. What you must know about much before you do class. Is necessary to have complete preparation of the didactic of mathematics teaching. The student pre-knowledge, the concept and knowledge according the chronological and mental age of the student. 3. What are some ways to learn mathematics as a teacher? Through the inverted classroom strategy, collaborative work, games, the use of technological tools, traditional classes. He is considered that is how we teach, what motivates the child to learn, without ignoring that there are many external factors that sometimes do not favor such learning. 4. Give others example about teacher mistake when students are wrong. Is the student made a mistake in developing exercise or problem, and the teacher does not use that mistake to reinforce the concept? A failure is committed. Telling the student you do know, ignoring him her in front of the question, making fun of their answer. 5. According to your point of view, what you consider is essential in mathematical learning process? Motivation. A student having many mathematical skill, but is his or her motivation and attitude are not adequate, he or she will not be able to acquire the skill in the area. But if a student is motivated to learn, even if she is not the best in the area, she will advance significantly in her mathematical competence. 6. Solving mathematical exercise and problems in another language reinforce logical thinking by approaching knowledge from the different linguistic perspective. The ability to interpret and analyze in another language will develop innately. Is fundamental to me, because mathematics is one of the two fundamental areas of education, and the use of second language have become indispensable Nowadays, therefore, linking these two areas will be a great opportunity for our students. Thanks.